Dear friends, good morning. I, Jaspant Singh Kelasia, welcomes you in our YouTube channel Parad Germinates the Democracy. We are also having a Hindi YouTube channel named as Parad Loktantra Ka Ankuran. We are also available in different social media platforms. By observing the descriptions of this channel, you can see them. For what purposes and with what aims and objectives this channel has been launched, you can also see by going through the description of this channel. Nowadays, we are discussing about the Indian judicial system. For this, we have prepared a write-up in this regard. This write-up has been divided into 5 parts. Today, we are discussing about the second part of this write-up. So, I already said that our write-up is technical in nature. So, we are directly reading the contents of this chapter like this. Sometimes we find that possibly legislature, executive do not want to expand, make effective, well arranged with modern technology, fully capable of powerful to the judicial system. Because if it happens, then this judiciary shall be proved as very troublesome and terrible. Here our meaning is that in legislature majority of offenders are sitting there and executive also having corruption and occurrence of illegal activities in bulk are there. But it is used to say that there is no ideal condition exists anywhere. Every judicial officer is a component of the society. What is happening in society, those prevailing social value systems and strong and predominant from them, a judicial officer cannot remain untouched and unaffected. Every judicial officer has its own social, familiar, cultural responsibilities. Because of them, sometime if it has bound to do compromise, it has to maintain balance. What is happening in the society, those prevailing social values are strong and predominant from them. A judicial officer cannot remain untouched and unaffected. Every judicial officer has its own social, familiar, cultural responsibilities. Because of them, sometime it has bound to do compromise. It has to be maintain balance. This is a ground reality. Therefore, in Indian judicial system used to keep and maintain balance come priority with legislature and executives. In higher judiciary, justice are remain in the fear of impeachment by the assembly. Therefore, we can express our views with the help of this proverb, as you sing, as you tune, and vice versa. Because as that we have said earlier that in Indian judiciary system element of ruling class exists. Hence, because of this, never remains in a position to take any revolutionary step and suitable actions, nor this system remains such type of mentality. Though in the country, if there are very urgent, very major and radical changes are immediately required at all, and also needed urgent revolutionary changes, then it is the Indian judicial system. We also observe that Indian judicial system is also a conservative. In all, due to all these pathetic conditions, common man ought to suffer very badly. That we see gigantic scam, corruption, black money in foreign, etc., are just like a peanut in comparison to the sufferings of common people due to the Indian judicial system. What a bitter thing is that in one side, as compared to the judiciary of the world, Indian judiciary has very least liability. Along with this, to maintain rule of law and to maintain respect and dignity of courts, judges, it has very powerful provisions of contempt of court. Apart from these provisions, it has the power of epistolary jurisdictions. Under this power, when to a judicial officer any information related to any offense, illegal activities by any means or resource, she can take into cognizance, and by using a writ, they can register a case. So also under public interest litigation, PIL, they can take legal actions by themselves. In the matter of public interest litigation and in criminal matters, offences against government, there are vast powers as to grant relaxations in the issue of locus standi. Not even that. Indian judicial system having great number of very eminent, famous senior intellectuals, thinkers and ideologues. In them we include intellectuals, famous and revolutionary senior advocates. Also, in spite of these, Indian judiciary could not perform its role to obtain the objective of the soul of the Constitution, that is preamble, nor it could take any step so that it can prevent to rest of the three institutions, legislature, executive, media. So also they can be prevented not to go against the theme of preamble of the Constitution and can be curbed to come back at right direction accordingly. In the matter of ensuring and providing social justice and human rights, Indian judiciary have been utterly failed. Though in the Constitution, social justice and the fundamental rights have been given top priority. Friends, with this we conclude the second part of our write-up. If you think that we are giving some radical and revolutionary informations, so kindly please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks being with us and viewing the full video. Namaskar.